The other night, while trying to sleep, I heard a weird noise. I thought maybe it was one of my cats, so I put my hand over the edge of the bed and I said, "Sadie, are you in here?" And I felt a sandpapery tongue lick my fingers. And I said, "Oh, I was worried there for a second, Sadie. I thought it was somebody had broken in." And I fell back to sleep. The next morning, the sun was shining brightly through my windows here. I looked around, and every square inch of my room was covered in copies of Fallout 4. Except for my mirror, which I no longer have. On it, in artificial cheese dust, was written, "Video game developers can leak too."